My children were ages 4, 6, and 8 when my family went on the gluten-free diet. It didn't affect my dinners much. We still ate meat, veggies, and either rice, potatoes, or pasta. But gluten-free baking is where the challenges lied. As I read labels, I saw that store-bought gluten-free baked goods contained only starch or starch as the first 3 ingredients. Combine that with the amount of sugar they were using and you have foods that will wreak havoc on health. So I worked to figure out the maximum amount of nutritional flour one could use per starch and still have great baked goods, which turned out to be 70% nutritional flour to 30% starch. Exactly what does that mean? Mix up these 3 ingredients in a canister, storage container, or gallon-sized Ziploc bag, and you've got an all-purpose gluten-free flour mix for great cakes, pancakes and waffles, crackers, muffins, and more. And then check out my channel for great tried and true recipes along with step-by-step instructions, because after all, every child needs a birthday cake once a year, an occasional treat, and healthy, delicious snacks. At my channel, you'll find buttery vanilla birthday cake, chocolate cake, an incredible chocolate cake with no refined sugar or bad fats. You'll find the best gluten-free graham crackers, pumpkin muffins, and brownies. Fill lunch boxes with gluten-free crackers, almond flour muffins, or no-bake healthy bars. There are almond flour chocolate chip cookies, no egg chocolate chip cookies, and chocolate chip cookies you make in a slow cooker, also with no refined sugar or bad fats. Other low sugar treats include cookies for breakfast, high protein brownies, and no bake peanut butter bars. You'll find granola and granola bars, caramel popcorn, as well as treats for the holidays. Also, check out my video, Feeding Kids on the Gluten-Free Diet, which offers tips for an easier transition. I hope this video makes your gluten-free journey a little sweeter. Thanks for watching, and please share my video with those who need help with the gluten-free diet.